Science is the search for the truth. It offers explanations of the structure and behaviour of the physical and natural world through observations and experiments. Humans are fascinated and excited by science because we are curious creatures. We crave the answers to the things we don't understand. So here's 20 mind-blowing facts that make you realise why science is so addictive. About 1% of the static on your TV is caused by cosmic microwave background radiation left over from the Big Bang around 13.7 billion years ago. There are more bacteria that live and work in 1 linear centimetre of your lower colon than all of the humans that have ever lived on planet Earth. The Milky Way galaxy has approximately 100 billion stars in it, but the Milky Way is not the only galaxy. There are thought to be more than 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. The human nose has roughly 400 types of scent receptors that can distinguish between at least 1 trillion different smells. If we had a sufficiently precise and powerful telescope and a large enough mirror placed at exactly the right light years away in space, we could watch the Apollo landings happening in real time. According to astronauts, space smells like seared steak, hot metal and welding fumes. The aroma that they inhale is thought to be a result of high energy vibrations in particles that have been brought back inside the station, which have mixed with the air. The world's oceans contain 20 million tonnes of gold, but each litre of seawater contains on average about 13 billionth of a gram of gold. There's a gas cloud in the constellation of Aquila that contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. There's a species of jellyfish that is essentially immortal. Scientists are studying them closely with the hope of using the research to help humans live longer and to prevent certain illnesses. It takes a photon on average 170,000 years to travel from the core of the sun to the surface, and then it takes just 8 minutes for it to travel from the sun's surface to your eyes. If you removed all of the empty space from the atoms that make up all of the humans on Earth, the remaining mass could fit inside of 1 sugar cube. There are 328 million cubic miles of seawater on Earth, covering approximately 71% of the Earth's surface. But if the oceans dried out, the salt left over would cover the continents to a depth of 500 feet.